medyo dito rin nagsimula yung COVID-19.
Yeah, first and foremost, you really have to verify that.
Oh, you
Of course,
really have to verify.
You have Intel, di ba? Sabi nila, it's supposed to be a TV program, di ba? And then there was a crawler I saw na parang the China health system was actually was in a very critical state because of this shock. Ganun. First, you have to verify that because you have to act early. You have to preempt it if ever there was one.
Para,
if there ever is one.
Para maiwasan yung nangyari na rin mga pagkakamali nung panahon ng COVID-19. At ito...
First and for, di ba, ang first, di ba, how did COVID catch us off guard back then?
Misinformation.
Diba, misinformation.
Oo.
O dapat, huli nyo na agad yan. You have to nip it at the bud or at least i-verify nyo na. Kasi,
i-verify. Or, while ginagawa lang itong mga verification na to, no, kung meron ba talaga mga illnesses, kailangan, naka-standby na rin, no, yung mga protocols in case talagang may ganitong sakit na, wala pa naman tayong balita kung daw siya ng COVID-19 as deadly ba, or ano ba yung, wala pang detalye na about dito. Parang nakikita ko lang na kumakalat, respiratory disease nga din daw to. Similar to COVID-19. Pero, sa tingin ko, no, kailangan muna natin i-verify at i-refrain talaga natin magpakalat ng mga kung ano-anong balita na hindi kumpirmado. Pero siguro, it's prudent na rin, no, for the Philippine government to instill protocols. Naka-ready na yung mga protocols, no, para, mapigilan na yung paglaganap kung meron man talagang sakit na kumakalat.